Floki is still in this unstoppable move to the upside. It keeps rising again and again. It's just unstoppable at the moment. But what can we look for here since yesterday? Because yesterday we have updated this coin. I have updated this coin on the YouTube channel. I gave you all the context here with the higher time frame waves. So what we're going to do today is just zoom in again, as we have done also yesterday, and simply check what we can get here into this push to the upside. If we're going to expect a retracement or a continuation to the upside, all of this. So as always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe to the channel, the notifications, because yesterday we have planned some waves that played again absolutely perfectly. So if you want to get all this context, understand better all these waves, just go in the video section and check out the last update. And if you want to learn your waves, you've come to the right place, because tonight, really on Monday, you will get a brand new Elliott wave course to learn on the MOONCHARTS.fr website. This in 7 hours, and in addition to this, by learning, you will be able to play some contests. There will be some quiz on the waves, and so you have some different rewards. So you have here, for example, $300, $500, and $1,000 worth in Bitcoin, and some more rewards, of course, some few merch and stuff like this. So really go and sign up, and you will be able to get next this account page, and you will get this nice calendar, so you know exactly when is what. For example, here we get the 4 first courses for absolutely free, and these 4 first courses, there are 10 at the end, but the 4 first courses represent really more than half of the full course, and all of this is for free, and you will get a Q&A on every single course to make sure, well, you don't have any more questions and you understood everything correctly, really. The contest will come in April, and then we continue with apprentice. If you want to continue, you just have to sign up as apprentice. If you don't want, well, you stay with the first bunch of course here, and that's it, really. You do not need to pay anything. And on this being said, let's now move on the technical analysis. So something important to be aware of, okay, we're going to zoom into this smaller wave, is simply that you should join the Discord server. Why? Because everything is updated there first of all. If you want to stay updated on Floki or all the assets, really, for example, Bonk, I'm posting the TAs before to record the updates. Gala, for example, SHIB, we have been able also to long this. I mean, this is absolutely insane, really. The profit made, and all of these channels are absolutely free, really. It's absolutely free. You can see all the members making some really nice profit, and all of this is just a bit more than a week. This is just absolutely insane, so make sure to join it if you want to stay updated. First of all, I'm posting there, and then I'm recording on YouTube. It's a bit longer to record an update and then to upload it. But anyways, and yeah, all the channels are free, so just join and enjoy. That's it, really. I'm getting paid from trading. I'm not getting paid from your money, so just enjoy it, really. Anyway, so here, now we know that we are, in this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to complete this blue wave 3, okay, we simply have to get a 5 waves impulsive in there. So these are the smaller wave, really, right there. By the way, no, this is not this one at all. This is right there. So we have many here wave. I'm going to zoom in so you can see everything. But we have first of all a wave 1, 2, another wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2. So right now we are into the pink wave. We need to finish these pink waves. And if we zoom in a bit, I'm just going to remove the high time frame waves and target so we can see a bit better what's going on. Well, if we zoom in a bit, we just have to complete here the pink waves, and once we have completed pink 5 waves, it will complete simply the bam, right here, the green wave 3. Once we complete the wave 3, we'll have to do the wave 4 and the wave 5, and once we complete these 5 waves, it will complete again the white wave 3. So we need to complete all of this really normally before to get to look for a bigger push to the downside. Okay, so no stress normally. There is always, be aware of this, there is always another possible configuration. A bearish Elliott wave count is possible, but with the massive rise we've got, I can tell it's a lot less probable. So now, what we have planned yesterday, it was simply to look for this. Okay, so we've got this nice increase in price. We was looking for this target there. So you can see it's 0, so it's 13.28.106. This was a target, the first one planned for the wave 3. So I'm going to go on the bit of a lower time from here, 1 hour, for the top of the wave 3 here, the pink one to be made. And well, surprise, surprise, we've got the pink wave 3 done here. So we're a bit above, it's normal. This is a 2618 of the wave 3. It's absolutely normal. And from here, we're simply looking for the pullback for the wave 4. And so to go between this 23.6 and the 50%. And surprise, surprise, we get a bounce from here and we rise again. So if you want really to make all these predictions by yourself, you do not need me anymore. You just have to go and sign up on the website, and you will be able to learn all this impulsive Fib retracement extension tool, all of this for free. Really, this is absolutely insane. And play some contest and get some money. More of this. That's pretty nice. So now what we can do is simply to add the wave 5 targets, the pink wave 5 targets, to determine when we are going to stop from this wave 5, okay, when we can get a possible stop really. To do so, it's very simple. You just need to take your extension tool, first click on the wave 1 route, so if it's a bit complex to catch, you can go here on the log scale at this, you can catch a bit better here. Wave 1 route, wave 1 top, oops, misclicked that, and the wave 4 bottom. Okay, so just gonna place a bit better like this, and we can remove the log scale and add the wave 5 targets. So we add the wave 5 targets, 618, 121 extension, 1618, and the 2618. These are the targets where we're going to look for a pullback, and the pullback will be simply this wave 4. So we just have to add then the retracement tool to find the targets of this wave 4. I'm going to do this with you. So I'm going to remove this now. We don't really care anymore, to be fair, and this two right here. This smaller wave was planned again yesterday on the Discord server. I mean, really, this is absolutely insane. If I go with this, for example, here, well, all of this smaller wave was planned in the yesterday's update, and for example, this top right here was planned on the Discord server because it was late at night, so I did not record any update. But for example, here, if you go on the Discord server there, in the Floki Unstoppable channel, because this coin is really unstoppable, well, you've got this possible, for example, here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to complete the ping wave 3, and then you look for the wave 4, and well, what happened there? You've got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending into the wave 5, and so here comes the wave 4, and all of this was planned, you know, in the yesterday's update. So from here, wave 5, so we can add the targets of this wave 5, and here we go. These are the two targets we have to look for. So for the moment, we rejected here, as you can see, the 1618. If we have to push high and make something bigger here to the upside, we're simply more likely going to look for a longer wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go around here the 2618. If I can just move this a bit more on the right, that will be cool, like this. And so this will be normally the target. We will have to look for a reversal. So again, be really careful shorting a massive bull market like this. Now, for example, on Pepecoin, this was a scalp short here, for example. You've got some, you have some short, of course, to take on this. Where is Floki here? The best way to short like this a bull market, because you really need to know how to do this, it's simply by reading an order flow. This, so not this, but for example, this is a footprint chart. This is an order flow. It allows you really to see, if this can load, it allows you to see what's going on really behind the market, what's happening inside the candles, so you can make some more informed trading decisions. And this is how, for example, I took the scalp short, by the way, on the Pepecoin. And well, now I'm just waiting to see if this is going to go a lot more down or not. But there is a method behind everything. But anyways, just gonna merge this and read so I can read after and not forget about it. So yeah, this is a way you can really trade a market like this, even for the, for the longs and for the shorts. And how, for example, well, just to give you another example, I'm gonna go back here. How you can get such trades where, for example, on Bitcoin, I am, so this is another trade, well, I'm short from the very top of Bitcoin, I'm long from here, I'm long from the bottom 15,000, like really almost to the dollar. I mean, this is how you can get such entries. And for example, here within this range here, you can be long and short like this, and you can catch the tops and bottoms simply by reading an order flow and of course getting a strong plan. So if you want to get all of this again, just join the Discord server. And if you want to learn the order flow, simply go and sign up on the website, and you will be able to find here into the course section this nice Excel charts course that will give you the answers really on how to learn and how to read all of this. Because if I start talking about this in today's update, it's gonna take a while. But anyways, so here, these are the two targets. Let's take the case that we're going to do something really bigger, because this coin is really unstoppable. So we're going to look for the 2618 really. Okay, once we have done this wave 3 top, as I said, we just have to like completed really the ping wave 5. It will complete the wave 3 top. It's like Russian doors, you know, for example, in the wave 1, 3, and 5, you have 5 waves. So, for example, here you have into the wave 3, you have the 5 pink waves. Into the wave 1, you have another 5 waves. Into the wave 3, you have another 5 waves here. So the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the red waves. And into the wave 5, you have another 5 waves. So either completed, either a bigger impulsive, as we already rejected here, the 1618 of the wave 5. But now let's look for something bigger. If we don't, well, just place the wave 5 here, place the wave 3 top here, and you look for the wave 4. I'm going to show you now how to place the retracement tool. So now what we can do is simply remove all the smaller waves and look simply for the wave 3. By the way, I'm going to add this back. Right here, so we can see where we can pull this. So let's go with this like this, and we can go on a bit of a bigger time frame. As always, we go on the log scale because here it's impossible to catch the exact bottom otherwise. So we can go here on the log scale and place the retracement tool. We take the retracement tool, first click on the wave 3 on the wave 3 top we're going to do. We have done all we're going to do. It depends if we go higher or not. So let's take the case that we go exactly into the 2618. As you can see, for the wave 3 it can go a bit above and then retrace. It's absolutely fine. So 2618 down to the wave 3 root, or the wave 2 bottom of the green wave, because now we're going to look for the green wave 4. From here at the wave 4 targets, as always, I'm saying from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root, simply do the opposite if you did not reverse your tool in the tool settings. I did reverse on my tool, so it's from the top to the bottom, otherwise bottom to the top, simple as that really. From here, add the following targets: 23.6, 31.32 the MC fib, and the 38.2. Now, as we're in a massive uptrend, still at the 50%, it's absolutely possible that we're going to go that down. So let's add this a bit more on the right, maybe a bit too much like that. We can remove the log scale, and here we go, we have our wave 4 buy zone. This is as simple as that really, and again, you can learn this for free starting on Monday on the website, and every Monday you will get a course, everything. Okay, just go and check the calendar, you will get all of this information there. So this will be the buy zone if we retrace from the 2618. So this right here, bam, you can look to reload your bags really. Again, if you take such trades, don't forget I'm not a financial advisor. There is no any financial advice, so be aware of this. Now, well, these are the most probable wave at the moment. And yeah, this is a buy zone we can look for. Of course, if you take such trade and everything, there is a risk management behind every single trade. If you want to be profitable in trading, you cannot forget about the risk management. What I'm saying, what I mean with this really, it's simply risk per trade, maximum of the maximum of the maximum 2% of your whole account. If you do this, I can tell if you take only good trades. I mean, of course, if you take some trade, you have a good win rate, but with these waves, it's not that complex, not gonna lie, you will make money. This is as simple as that really. If you don't have risk management, you will possibly make money for a bit, but next when you're going to take a loss, it's gonna be a pretty big loss, and you're going to lose all the profit you made, even more. So get this risk management, please. If you take these trades, extremely important. Don't go all in and put your house into a trade. This is not at all something to do. So here, buy zone, and then we look for the wave 5. If we have to look for the wave 5, well, it's impossible at the moment to find a wave 5 targets, simply because we're in a massive extension. So the only way to find a wave 5 targets is simply to look at the higher time frame blue wave 3 targets. But before to look for this, we still have to complete this wave 3 or 5. So the best way to do this is simply to join the Discord server, because I'm going to post the smaller wave, and the smaller wave will give us the targets to look for a possible reversal and everything. So if you want to trade this asset, as I said, join the Discord server. I'm going to post everything there first of all before to make an update on the YouTube channel. And so yeah, this is what we can look for right now for this asset. If we have, just in case, I'm gonna plan this, if we have to retrace from here, well, this is a buy zone, simple as that really, between the 23.6 and the 50%. So you can either play some limits, either wait for a good reaction to come on the order flow, and from here you can bam, take your long trade and jump in with a bigger quantity, simply because you have stop loss placed below the low instead of getting the stop loss set, you know, around the 618 retracement. Anyways, as always, if you enjoy, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications. If you're really making money from these updates, really this is the way you can thank me. And if you want to learn how to make all these predictions, for example, now we're in some bull markets like this, so all of this impulsive stuff, all of this, there are no real big correction at the moment. All of this, the FIB pool, the FIB, just to use the FIB, have to use this. All of this will be free on the website. So really, if you want to learn this, go and sign up there. And more of this, you will be able to play a contest for absolutely free, where you can win up to $300. This is pretty cool in my opinion, and all of this, the first course really is going to be uploaded tonight, so on the 4th of March. Anyways, I wish you all a brilliant day. Don't forget to join the Discord server. Again, once more, I know I repeat myself a lot, but this is just for you, you know, if you want to make profit with us, like for example, the other members here, for absolutely free, well, just join and enjoy, that's it. It's very important, it's where I post everything, first of all. So anyway, hope you had a nice weekend, because it's almost done now. And well, let's crush the chart again. Take care and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.